Welcome to HICM Institute. Let's understand what is the average salary of investment banker in India as per 2022 survey. The national average salary for an investment banker is 1,160,417 rupees in India. Now let's see what is the qualifications required to become investment banker. If you want to pursue a career in investment banking, you need to have a minimum bachelor's degree in commerce, finance, economics, accounting or any other streams like engineer. Arts can also pursue career in investment banking. Here are 3 key job opportunities you can pursue. Money market analyst, financial analyst and investment banking associate. At HICM Institute we have the certification programs for you such as investment banking, fund accountant and financial analyst. The duration of the course is 2 months, in which 4 weeks of company internship will be provided. Online and offline classes are available. We have placed our students in world's best companies such as TCS, Wipro, JP Morgan, Accenture, Northern Trust, Goldman Sachs. Book your seat now. Download the brochure from the link below. Please subscribe, like and share our channel to help other students as well. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and connected.